Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we're doing the tops and bottoms drawing, and we're going to get your piece of paper and we're going to turn it horizontal. So horizontal means that it's going to go sideways. You will not need your scissors necessarily, so you'll just need your pencil first and your paper, and then we will either color with your colored pencils probably works the best. And I'm going to go ahead and start so that you can see it. And you're going to start with your pencil, and you're going to come down a little below half. And we're going to make just kind of a up and down, just making a ground, okay? And we'll later color this brown, so because that's the soil under the ground. And then this will be blue up in the sky. Okay? So now then we're going to start out with a beat. Do you know what a beat is? Okay, a beat is usually like a purple color, but we're going to take it and we're going to draw it down. It's kind of like an upside down heart, or kind of like a heart. And it goes underneath, the bottom part does. And then it has a thing that goes like this at the top. And that's going to be our leafy. That's what the bear got. Okay? And then we will color this later red or purple. All right? Now we're going to put, what else is underneath? We got a beet. Oh, I love it, a radish. So let's go right here. Let's skip a little space because we're going to kind of go top and bottom, top and bottom. So we're going to leave a little space, and we're going to make another one of those, except we're going to make it a lot smaller. Okay? And that's going to be a radish. Radish. We'll color it red. Of course, we get the meat is down in the bottom. What else do we have? Oh, yes, a carrot. By all means, we got to have a carrot. So this one's going to be long. And then the top. Be like that. Okay, now then we're going to do, we'll come back right over here, and we're going to do this just a little bit on the top. And from that top, we're going to do little squigglies and connect them. And we will color, after we trace it with our dark, we will color these white. Because that would be what? Cauliflower. If you want to color it green, it could be broccoli. So either one. And you color this part green, this part. And that's all above the ground, isn't it? That's a top. All right. So now we're going to come here in the middle. And we're kind of going to make a little squiggly line, circle. And then we'll make another kind of a squiggly coming out. What is that? Squigglies. You know what that is? Lettuce. Good job. Lettuce. Make some lettuce or cabbage. Either one. All right. And then I know you'll know what this one is. We're going to come over here. And we're going to kind of make a tall stalk. Make it come in the middle. And we're going to, it's just got a little leafies up here. And it has lines. It's tall like this. What is that? Celery. Good. All right. So now that you've got it drawn, go back and remember very, very carefully with your Sharpie. First thing you're going to do is autograph it. Autograph the bottom. And then you're going to have to go over your pencil marks very, very carefully. Very carefully, very slow, staying on the line. Staying on the line. Okay? If you need to stop me for a minute, go ahead and stop me so that you can trace. Okay, now that you're back, you're going to use probably, your colored pencils or crayons will work great. And we're going to start out with a purple. So you can get your purple and let's do our beat. And we're going to color this bottom part purple. And remember, little strokes for little folks. We do not scribble because we're big kids now. No scribbling to stay in the line. Take it nice and slow. And color that purple. Takes a little bit of time. And I'm going to color mine in too. So hopefully I won't hit my hand on it because, you know, I have my dry erase board. So it kind of erases itself. But you want to make sure you get all that white or the manila colored in. And when we do the cauliflower, I'm going to leave mine white because cauliflower is white. And on my dry erase board, I don't have a white. But you have a white crayon or a white colored pencil, and you can do that on your paper, the white. Remember, little strokes for little folks so that we do not scribble. And when we take our time, we color all that white in. That's very, very important. And what color are we going to color the top of the beat? Green, absolutely. Green. So you're going to color it green. If you need to stop me to get yours colored in, go ahead. Stop and get it colored in. That's all of the purple that I'm using. So the next one I'm going to color is a radish, and that one is red. Our radish is red. So we're only coloring the bottom right now. So we'll color that red. Remember, little strokes for little folks. Color it all in. And later we'll color the sky blue. What might we put in the sky? A sun, I like that. And if you feel real creative, you can draw you a little water bucket on the side so that you can water your plants. My red doesn't do very well on the dry erase board. Okay, the next one that we're going to color would be our orange. What's orange? Our carrot. We're going to color the carrot orange. Little strokes for little folks. I always loved it when Grady and Crew, they always, and Jake, they always, I'd say little strokes, and they go for little folks. So you get to draw that. And then color. And when you do little strokes, you don't scribble. And it gets all of the white colored in. You make little ones. My name, my hand's over my name, so my autograph is going to be a little. What color might we color our soil? Oh, I like it. A brown, a tan color. Good. talked about the sky and what would be in the sky. We could even draw a worm in our dirt, couldn't we? In our soil. It's our orange. Now, what color will we color the tops? The lettuce and the celery? Now, we'll color all of them green. So you'll just color all of those green. So all of your lettuce, little strokes for little folks. Color it all in. And the top of your carrots, you're going to color green. Your celery, you're going to color green. And your top of your beets. And the root part of your cauliflower. Remember, you have to color it white. So you'll have that one part green that's holding it. And then the top of our beets will be green. So we got lots of green in there. Lots of green. Okay. So you can stop me and color yours in. And then you're going to use your tan or your brown. And you're going to color your dirt. And color all of the dirt all the way down. So color all of that. And remember, little strokes for little folks. Color it all in for your brown. I'm just kind of telling you what you need to color. Brown. Okay? Color that brown. And then what color's the sky? Blue. You want to color the sky blue. If you want to put a cloud in there, you can put a cloud. If you want to put the sun, absolutely. You want to get a yellow and an orange, because a sun, you can do, let me work this off so we can put a sun over here. I'm going to put a yellow sun with a line out. Okay. And then when you put your lines out, you'll use your orange to trace beside it. Do on both sides of your lines. Then you'll have to color the inside of your sun orange. Okay, I mean yellow. I'll color it yellow. Okay, there's our sun. I hope you enjoyed your picture today and have it all up ready for springtime. And so this is your paper garden. Maybe your teacher will put up a paper garden, or your parents, and you can take it home and put it on your fridge. And then every time you eat a vegetable, you say, is that a top or a bottom? We forgot one, didn't we? We didn't do the corn. We could do a corn stalk. Let me get a black here. We can come over here and do a corn stalk. Just kind of goes up like this, and it has a little thing at the top that you can color green. And then it has green leaves. You might want to do that one on green. And it has green leaves, and in the leaves in the middle, it has what? Yellow. So you can kind of do your corn in the middle. It's kind of like a leaf. You can do it as a leaf. You can do it green and then color it the inside yellow so that it'll look like corn. Okay? So that's your corn. And then you've got the middle of that one. If you do that, then make sure you do the top of it green. Okay? I hope you enjoyed our tops and bottoms drawing, and share with me your tops and bottoms. Have a great day. If you like drawing this, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, you're going to miss drawings and readings with Cindy on Cindy's Corner. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And most important, share me with your friends and colleagues and give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Have a great one.